Namaskar, welcome to my channel Budget Travel Guru. I am going to start a new series on traveling which I named as Traveling Tools and Essentials. In this series I will cover all the traveling tools and essentials which we generally ignore or forget to take it or use it. Some of the topics which I am going to cover are VPN, travel insurance, gimbal, laptop, security belt with hidden pocket, microfiber towel, head torch and many more things. So stay tuned for the first video of the series. That's all for today. Bye. Take care.